In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed procedure on this Audi S4. Let's get into it. The brake fluid reservoir cap is right here, up near the cowl. You want to take a clean rag and just wipe it off. It's a little bit hard to see the brake fluid reservoir. If you need to, and pull up this cover. Pull this cover off. That way you can see it better. Take the cap off. Right on the cap, it tells you what type of fluid to use. This is .4 brake fluid. Now I'm going to use a brake fluid extraction pump and just remove as much brake fluid as you can get. There is a screen in there. If you can pull the screen out, you can get a little more fluid. Just try to get some of the dirty fluid out. Then we're going to take some fresh brake fluid, and you want to top this off. Fill it up to the max line on the side there, and put the cap on. Now with the vehicle raised up with all four wheels off the ground, we're going to be starting with the left front caliper. Then you're going to move on to the right front caliper. After that, the left rear caliper, and then finally the right rear caliper. Now we can take the bleeder cap off. And I'm going to use a 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw. I'm putting a hose on just to make it a little bit cleaner, but you can use a drain bucket. And we're going to have an assistant in the vehicle. Go ahead and pump the pedal about 3 times and then hold it. And then we'll open up the bleeder screw. You can see fluid, a little bit of bubbles. That's okay. Close it up. Go ahead, pump 3 times and hold it. Open up the bleeder screw. No bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump 3 times and hold it. Open it up. That's good. Pedal goes to the floor. Close the bleeder screw. Go ahead and pump the pedal. And you're good. You don't have to hold it. The fluid looks pretty clear. We'll close that up. Just snug that up. Put the cap on. You can use a little brake fluid cleaner or brake parts cleaner if you need to. And then you're going to do the same procedure on the right front caliper. After that, you're going to check and adjust the brake fluid level. Now we're going to top it off. Take the cap off and fill it up to the max line. That's good. Put the cap on. Snug it down. Now we're on the left rear caliper. Take the cap off for the bleeder screw. Use a 10mm wrench. Then I'm going to put the hose on and have the assistant go ahead and pump the brake pedal. And then hold it down. While they're holding it, open the bleeder screw. You see the fluid come in, no bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open it up. Close it up. One more time. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. All right, looks good. Fluid's clean. No bubbles. Close it up. Put the cap on. You can spray it with some brake parts cleaner if you need to. And then you're going to do the same procedure on the right rear caliper. After that, you want to double check the fluid under the hood and adjust accordingly. Now double check the fluid level. Take the cap off. Top it off a little bit. Make sure it's up to the max line. Put the cap on. And if you remove this cowl cover, slide that in position. and push it down. After you're all done, clean everything up, you can reinstall your wheels, torque those lug nuts to 90 foot-pounds, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.